friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. I have created this fun flip tag pocket in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, who is the creator of this fun collab. So I wanted to show it to you real quick, and then I'm going to show you how I made it. Please join us if you haven't already. We would love it. You can share stuff in our Facebook groups. And check out my description box, because in that you're going to find all of Cindy's contact information along with the booklet that she created for the 100 Days of Pockets. Today you will need a large tag, a coordinating small piece of paper, glue or tape, and a hole punch and ribbon, which is optional. All right, my friends, I added this small embellishment to this tag. I want to mention about this background here. This was given to me by my friend Penny of Penny's Crafty Creations, and it is one of her gel print papers, and it's just beautiful. Now I'm adding some glue to the pocket, and I'm going to go ahead and get that down onto the tag. All right, my friends, I have this cute typewriter and it says, "Dream up something wonderful." And so I'm going to go ahead and put this down on our pocket. Well, it's our pocket tag. And it fits perfectly there, which is great. I didn't put glue up here on the paper part, so this is coming up over the pocket, but there's no glue on it, so that's perfectly fine. I have this wonderful film strip here, so I'm going to stuff this down in the tag. I have this really pretty piece of gel print. I don't know if you can tell that it sparkles, and so I really love it. I think it's beautiful. I'm going to use this as my journal page, and I'm going to take this tag and I'm going to put it down on the journal page, and I'm going to attach it with washi. I think this washi will be pretty neat because it's got words on it, so I think it's a nice pairing with the typewriter. And our flip tag pocket is complete. We have our tag and it flips. You can write on the back of it. You've got the pocket holding this, which you can write on. And that's it, my friends. I hope you like it. I enjoyed this one. It was easy, but it's kind of got a cool look to it. Be sure to check out Cindy's video today and see what she came up with. Tomorrow is going to be a notebook flip pocket, and I hope you will join both of us for that. Thanks for watching. See you soon.